Welcome back to my channel, y'all. I'm back with another tutorial, and today I'm finna do a get ready with me, and y'all already know it's lit, so be sure to tune in. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, most definitely subscribe. Up top, hit turn on push notifications on, and yeah, let's get into this look. I'm finna do something natural. Y'all be sure to stay tuned. I'm just gonna be taking my Maybelline, and this is in the shade medium brown. I'm gonna be taking this, and basically what I'm gonna do is just outline my brows. Go ahead and do that, y'all. Go ahead and shade my brows in, and you can shade your brows in light, dark, you know what I'm saying, whatever best for you. Going in with my spoolie, and I'm just brush this product out a little bit, y'all, in the front, because I hate people's brows that be looking so harsh in the front. It's a no-no. So please, whoever, matter of fact, if you listening right now and you doing that shit, don't do that shit no more. Don't do that shit no more. I'm gonna be going in, y'all, with my super strong whole eyelash adhesive clear, and y'all, I think it's by Envy, by Kiss, and y'all, my friend, she came through. What you want to do is just brush this product through your brows, and what it's gonna do is, y'all, give you more of a sleek look, and your brows are gonna be laid, baby. And once I tell you, your brows, them bitches not gonna move all day. So like, it's dumb as fuck. You might well say this is like more of a waterproof thing to do. So yeah, be sure, most definitely follow, subscribe, and turn on push notification on. Brown and rustic, and I'm gonna take that and just do that in my cut crease area, putting my shadows so close to my brow. I kind of want my concealer to pop a little bit more than usual, so I'm just gonna take this brown shade and just stay a little bit farther down than I usually go. Said before, I want more of my concealer to show, so I'm not gonna blend too much up under that brow, like close next to it. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Temper, and it's like a nude. I'm gonna be taking this kind of like a white almost. So I'm just gonna take that and dab it on. We're not doing a cut crease today, so it's more something natural. So we have our shadow. I'm just gonna dab a little bit more in my inner corner to show. So make it a little bit more vibrant. What I'm gonna do now is go ahead, just take my hair down and stuff, style it, whatnot, and go find me something to put on for today, because I am going out with Booski, and y'all already know what time it is. So what I'm gonna do is just go ahead and get into this revealing look, and I'm gonna come back to y'all with the finished look. This is the finishing look, babes. For this look, it was a natural. Get ready with me, something real quick, something fast. And y'all, what I'm finna do right now is, it is 3:16 and I'm actually running like 40 minutes late. I gotta go ahead, throw my clothes on, and I'm actually finna be surprised today. I don't know what Booski has set up for me, but I'm actually excited about it, and we finna get into this, y'all. Y'all be sure to stay tuned, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. If you already are, love you, and y'all stay tuned. I'm gonna turn this into a vlog, and I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video. A bit more.
Yeah. Not depending if you want to meet no big mom.
What are we doing then, babe?
Big mom at the hospital.
We finna go see her though.
Only 2 people can see her.
What we finna do then?
I tell you see when you get there.
What we finna do?
I just said you'll see when you get there.
So you ain't gonna tell me?
Nope.